We have been implementing different systems in different departments. So within maintenance and flight ops, and then with CAMO as well. And so we had been implementing about 5 different systems for 4 years now. And we needed somewhere to collect the data out of these systems and kind of represent them together. And we actually came across EXSYN, and we thought that would actually be a good fit. When we were doing the estimation of the amount of data that we have and the systems that I explained earlier, we were looking into data lake, Fiber, Power BI, all the tools that basically are available to us. But we did not just want to get the extraction of the data itself. So we wanted something more, that we were also having a tool that we could push data into our systems. So, and that's actually why we basically chose EXSYN for that purpose. Because we wanted to have more than just the data analysis, so the data ingestion as well. So when we actually did have the first sessions with Sander, with him actually coming to Bahrain to give us the demo, it was kind of obvious that would be the right tool for us. So from then on, it was actually quite a easy decision for us to go ahead. So the challenges we had when doing the implementation, I think that was more the expectations from our side. Because we came with a lot of requests during the implementation phase where we said, okay, can we do these things earlier than some of the other items that were on the timeline. But internally, I think that the surprise was the health of the data that we do have in the various systems. And the good thing about the quality checks using the scheduler and the health checks from EXSYN, that was the biggest surprise. I think with the team within the department that, so in Aviation, was actually the ease in how quickly they could adapt and find the information that they were looking for. So having and setting up the systems and the dashboards, I mean, they were all over the systems and the dashboard, creating their own favorites within a day. And basically the adaptation from them and acceptance, that was really good. So we had to, I mean, the system itself is I think the best thing is that it kind of creates a quality control on the data that we do have and the other systems. So how the systems are being used, how the data is being entered. So the biggest change is having that quality control with the quality checks, making sure that the data itself is entered correctly by whom it is, if it's by the technicians, if it's by the pilots, or by Aviation staff themselves. So that's what has changed internally, the biggest. And then as for on a management level is of course having the data available and transparent, so and everybody's actually looking at the same picture. The short answer is just do it, right? And the recommendation would be, of course, to sign up and implement it. Now, my advice to them would be, don't try to fix what you already have. Go ahead with the implementation. Care for a bit of a time during the implementation to actually fix your own data when you have the health checks running. So I think that if you do that first, that's going to be your biggest advantages to sort that out during the implementation, because you will have to adopt in your own systems in the way the data is being done. So that would be my recommendation to them.